Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that when you just verification your iCloud and you may facing your iCloud verification failed and error occurred. So you may seeing the interface verification failed and how you can resolve that issue. So simply just follow all these steps. I'm going to run that in this video to fix the issue. Just simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and also check that you have Wi-Fi connection have a strong speed of the internet or not. After checking, simply just make sure you just not connect with any VPN. Just like that, my VPN is disconnect right now, so make sure that is disconnect. After that, just going to general section and it's going to the software update and it update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. And after that, to check that is iCloud, Apple iCloud server is down or not. Simply just going to the Safari and just simply just going to the new tab and just search Apple Cloud Server and just simply just going to the wait Apple Spot Server and it's going to that interface, that website Spot, and all services are operating normally. So make sure that the system's status is working properly, and if it's not working properly and getting the issues, you have to wait it. After that, after checking that this issue is not, and the other thing is that you're just going to the settings and you have to make sure that you're just going to this update the latest iOS version. After that, just scroll it down and just see the option of a transfer or reset icon. Just tap on that and just tap on the reset and see the option of a reset the network settings. So just simply just reset the network settings from here. After doing all these stuffs, make sure you're not gonna solve after that. And after that, you're not gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and just follow all the steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix the issue. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.